All right, theorem 1017 on page 752 says if a tangent and a secant intersect outside a circle, then the square of the tangent is equal to the product of the secant and external secant segment. And again, the picture is going to make more sense. So here's a circle. Here's a tangent. And here's a secant. And if I label these, I'm going to label them A, B, C, and D. We're going to say AB squared. That's the square of the tangent. Is equal to the secant, or I'm sorry, is equal to the product of the secant. The secant is AD times the external secant segment. That's AC. So if we put some color to it and we call this blue, the tangent squared equals big segment times outside segment. All right, or big piece times outside piece. Very similar to yesterday's rule, right? So if we put some values in here and we make this an 8 and an X and a 7, then AD is equal to X plus 7. So if you have to solve for X, you're going to take 8 squared is equal to AD, which is X plus 7, times AC, which is X. 8 squared is 64 equals, now we're going to do the distributive property on the right side. X times X is X squared. And that's going to be plus 7X. So we're going to subtract 64 from each side. And 0 equals X squared plus 7X minus 64. And for today, we're just going to leave it like that. All right with that? All right, let's do one more. Circle. Secant. Tangent. And we get an x plus 4, and 10. So this entire secant is x plus 4, right? And all that would simplify to 2x plus 4. Agreed? So tangent squared equals the entire secant, which is the 2x plus 4, times the secant segment, which is x. So 100 equals 2x times x is 2x squared, and 4 times x is positive 4x. So subtract 100, and 0 equals 2x squared plus 4x minus 100. Now, moving forward, do you see anything on the right-hand side of this equation that, do you notice anything about it? They're all divisible by 2, right? So to save yourself some time moving forward, simplify the equation. If you divide both sides by 2, 0 divided by 2 is 0, and it's equal to x squared plus 2x minus 50. And leave it in that form. And like I said, we'll be working with solving these trinomials tomorrow and early next week. Good? Any questions? Your practice for today is on page 753. You got number 4. And then over on the next page, 12 and 13. And then 16. Stop there. You did 4 yesterday? All right, I meant 3. I'm sorry. So 3, 12, 13, 16.